Here are the best ways on how you can play Undertale on your PC using WASD. So if you know, Undertale can be played by the arrows, but in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best two methods that you could use to play on WASD on your keyboard. So the first option is very simple and very easy. So what you need to do is just simply press FN key on your keyboard and FN with W. So if I do that, here as you can see, I'm playing it on WASD. It's not on arrows. But if I want to switch that, I'm going to press FN with W again. And here we go. It's now on arrows. But if you don't have FN key on your keyboard, you can use auto hotkeys. So how do you do that? You simply need to go to your web browser and simply type in auto hotkey. It's like that, and you need to search it up and you need to download it. So I've already downloaded it. So you just need to download the version 2.0 and it will show you something like this. Right over here, you gotta create a new script for it. So I'm just gonna type in Undertale script and I'm just gonna press create. So once it's created, what you need to do is just open this as your notes notepad, and here you go. Now inside the notepad, you're just gonna put the code that I've put it in the description. So let's check out my description and you need to put in that code. Once the code has been there, what you need to do is just copy this file right over here. Once you copy it up, just go to Undertale's file location right over here where you have installed it, and it will take a while to open up. But if it's not opening, you just need to put in the file where it's installed. So it's not opening up right like that. It might be glitched. But yeah, it says GOG games. So you need to go to GOG games or like this, and you need to paste the copied file that we just created on the script. And there you go. You can just play Undertale on WASD after that, or you can do the first method. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this helped you out.